Good morning, artist. I thought it would be fun on Fridays to just draw a simple sketch with you guys. I think I'm going to go through different types of animals. So if you would like to learn to draw different types of animals along with me, please go ahead and try this out. I'd love to see what you come up with. Let's see what our first animal is going to be today. All right, guys, so my first animal drawing this week is going to be a cow. This one's a pretty easy one to start off with. The first step is to draw a large square in the center of your paper. So I'm just drawing a large square. This is going to become the cow's head. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm just going to make it a little straighter. And I'll erase my extra lines. Okay. I've got my cow's head. The second step in the center is to draw a large oval shape for the cow's nose. They've got like a long snout. So in the center, I'm just gonna draw my long oval. This is gonna become the cow's little nose. I'm gonna add some details inside the nose. They've got like little cow nostrils so they can breathe. And we'll just draw the mouth. Kind of looks like a frown, but I don't know. I've never seen a cow smile. The next step is going to be to draw two eyes. So my cow eyes are just going to be a circle on either side of the cow's head. And you can draw in the pupil and the iris, all the parts of the eye. This is the black part of the eye, the pupil, and this is the iris. This is the colored part of the eye. Next, I'm gonna add cow. This is gonna be a Holstein cow. A Holstein cow is a black and white cow. Those are the cows that we get milk from. So I'm just gonna add a little shape down the center of his face. This is gonna be his black section. Love black and white cow. Next step is going to be some ears on either side of the cow's head. So I'm just going to draw straight out and then come around and down. Straight out, around and down. The last step of this simple cow drawing is just a square-shaped body. So I'm going to draw one line down here and one line across over here. Then I'm just gonna make some nice little random shapes so this cow can have some black and white splotches. Now I'm gonna go ahead and trace and color in my cow, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done.